bite an apple, take a big chunk out, then walk away, set it on the counter, go do something else for 10 minutes, now come back, look at the spot where you bit it. It's brown. Not because the apple's going bad, not because of bacteria. The apple is being attacked by something invisible, something that's all around you right now, that something is oxygen, and what just happened is called oxidation. Oxidation sounds like a chemistry word your teacher invented to ruin your afternoon. It is not. Oxidation is happening right now on your skin, in your blood, on every metal object in this room. When you see a rusty nail, that's oxidation. When you see a copper roof go from shiny orange to that weird green color, also oxidation. When you toast bread, oxidation. When your body burns the eggs you ate for breakfast, oxidation. So here's the definition you can write down. Oxidation is when an atom loses electrons. That's it. That's the whole thing. The apple browned because its molecules lost electrons to oxygen. The nail rusted for the same reason. Lose electrons, and you've been oxidized.
Okay, but why does oxygen care about your apple? Because oxygen is, scientifically speaking, an electron bully. Oxygen atoms really want more electrons. They will rip them off, basically anything. Iron is a popular victim. Iron sits there perfectly happy until oxygen and a little bit of water show up. Then oxygen yanks the electrons right off the iron atoms. Each iron atom loses 3 electrons and becomes an iron ion. That's what oxidation looks like for one atom in writing. Then those iron ions and oxygen come together to make this iron oxide rust. The full balance reaction looks like this: 4 iron atoms, 3 oxygen molecules, and you get 2 units of iron oxide.
That orange flake on every old fence and forgotten tool, iron atoms that lost their electrons to oxygen in slow motion over years. So that's oxidation, atoms losing electrons to something hungrier. Next time you see rust or a brown apple or steel wool catching fire, you'll know what's actually happening. Iron atoms, apple molecules, all of them giving up electrons, and whoever's grabbing those electrons is gaining them. That's a different lesson called reduction. Same playlist whenever you want it.